This is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and according to GoPro, it's the most powerful and creator-friendly action camera they've ever made. But here's the thing, after using it for a week, I realized the biggest upgrade isn't actually video quality. It's something way less flashy, but way more important if you actually film outdoors. So the real question is this finally the action camera worth upgrading to, or just another small refresh? GoPro Hero 12 Black Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The GoPro Hero 12 Black is GoPro's flagship action camera released in September 2023. Designed for creators, adventurers, vloggers, and honestly anyone who wants cinematic footage without carrying a giant camera rig. At first glance, it looks almost identical to last year's Hero 11 Black. Same rugged body, same sensor, but GoPro focused heavily on battery efficiency, stability, and creator tools this time around. Key highlights include 5.3K video recording, improved battery life, HDR video support, advanced stabilization, and Bluetooth audio support. GoPro Hero 12 Black Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use the Hero 12 Black for everything. Walking vlogs, bike rides, handheld travel footage, and even some night shooting. And honestly, the experience feels incredibly refined. Boot up is quick, menus are responsive, and GoPro's touchscreen remains one of the easiest action camera interfaces to use. Switching between modes mid-shoot feels fast enough that you don't miss moments, which matters more than raw specs. Video stabilization, powered by HyperSmooth 6.0, is still industry-leading. Running footage looks almost gimbal-like without extra gear. You can literally jog with this thing handheld and get smooth, usable footage. But the real surprise? Heat management. Previous GoPros sometimes overheated during long recordings. The Hero 12 Black ran noticeably cooler during extended 5.3K shoots, largely thanks to improved power efficiency. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, and more importantly, why you should care. First, HDR video. This adds better dynamic range, meaning bright skies and darker shadows retain detail at the same time. If you shoot outdoors a lot, your footage instantly looks more cinematic without editing. Second, Bluetooth audio support. You can connect wireless earbuds or microphones directly. That means better vlog audio without bulky adapters, a massive win for solo creators. Third, vertical video mode. The camera can shoot vertically while mounted horizontally. Translation: one recording works for both YouTube and TikTok or Instagram Reels. Less setup, less editing stress. Fourth, GP log color profile. This is huge for advanced users. It captures flatter footage for professional color grading, giving editors more flexibility, something previously reserved for higher-end cameras. Camera quality. You get up to 5.3K resolution at 60 FPS, which gives incredibly sharp footage and flexibility for cropping or reframing later. Colors are vibrant but not overly saturated, and HDR video noticeably improves contrast in tricky lighting. Daylight footage looks fantastic, crisp, stabilized, and very GoPro cinematic. Night shooting, it's improved slightly, but still not perfect. Smaller sensors struggle at night compared to smartphones or mirrorless cameras. You'll see noise in darker scenes, especially indoors. Design and build. Aesthetically, GoPro didn't reinvent the wheel, and that's actually a good thing. The Hero 12 Black keeps the familiar rugged design with built-in mounting fingers and a waterproof body rated down to 33 feet without a case. It feels solid, compact, and extremely durable. The front display is perfect for framing selfies or vlogs, while the rear touchscreen remains bright and responsive even outdoors. Battery life. Here's arguably the biggest real-world upgrade: battery life. GoPro claims up to twice the runtime in certain modes, and testing backs that up. Recording times are noticeably longer compared to previous models, especially at higher resolutions. The camera draws less power thanks to internal optimizations rather than a bigger battery. In real use, I could film extended sessions without constantly swapping batteries, which, if you've used older GoPros, feels like a huge quality of life improvement. Pros: excellent stabilization with HyperSmooth 6.0, significantly improved battery efficiency, Bluetooth audio support is a creator game changer. Cons: looks almost identical to last generation, upgrade feels incremental for Hero 11 owners. Final verdict. Look, if you're new to action cameras or upgrading from anything older than the Hero 10, this is an easy recommendation. The Hero 12 Black feels polished, reliable, and genuinely creator-focused. If you're a traveler, cyclist, vlogger, or outdoor filmmaker, the longer battery life and better workflow improvements make a real difference every single day. But if you already own the Hero 11 Black, the upgrade is more about convenience than revolutionary changes. Here's the thing,